Hey, this is Mark T Handyman. Today we're going to take out this light here in our backyard and put in a new Google Nest camera. Camera here, just picked it up. Okay, and let's see what we got here. I have not seen this yet. I've got there's the two wires that we're going to be putting on there. This looks like this is for the camera. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, there's a mounting plate right there. And what is this? This is something. Oh, wire nuts and screws. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're back. So I went to the disconnect, I turned off the electricity, and now I'm going to take this apart. I do have a meter to verify that I don't have no electricity. So, okay, so we're gonna verify that we don't have any power on these as soon as I get these off. Nothing complicated here. You got your black, your white, you got your ground wire. Okay, nothing different about that. We'll take this off like that. So I've got my Fluke meter here. There's nothing fancy here, just a pretty inexpensive one. It's T5600, and we just turn the meter on, go to the voltage, and we check. We got no voltage there. Can you see that? No voltage there. You've got nothing to ground, nothing to ground. So we're good. Okay, so we've got the mounting plate on. We pretty much use the same screws that they mounted it up against the wall here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these wires through here. They do have a ground wire here that they want you to connect to, so we're gonna connect that. But there's a little arrow on here. You won't be able to see it, I don't think, on the camera, but it's right there, and it's pointing up. So it wasn't hard to do, but you got to make sure that the mounting plate that this is mounting to is lined up with that, because if not, it might be crooked like that. Also, I want to add that this didn't quite connect. It's got a little like a base in the back of here, so it was not going to go flat against anything I was going to put against, even a box. So I put a little bit of weather protection foam back there. You can see that right there to protect it from the elements. Although this has got a rope right above it too. So I'm going to put these 4 screws in, and then we'll wire it up. So I've wired them in. You've got the ground wire to the green, white to white, black to black. I put a little tape on there just for weatherproofing and stuff. Now we're gonna this is gonna screw onto this. That's why it was so important to get this straight up, because it's only gonna go one way. So I'm gonna tuck these wires in there because they give you a little bit of a cavity, but not enough for all these wires. So there's plenty of space back there from the old light. So I've got the wires tucked in there. What I discovered is they really want that tucked in tight. So I'm going to put those in there, and we'll twist this on, and that does that. And so now we've got the part that connects to the flood device. You can see that's a strong magnet if you watch that. It goes in. And then that could be moved around. There's a set screw that you screw into there, which I'll do in a second, and that prevents you from stealing it. You can see if you get the camera underneath. I don't know if we can get that or not, but well, it doesn't matter. It's just this little set screw that goes in there, and then this cover goes off, but we need that on to set it up though. So we'll set that up in 1 second. Okay, so now that we've got the camera installed, we have to install it onto the app. If you don't have a Nest app, you're going to have to download it on your phone, okay? You don't really need it unless you want to watch your camera on your phone, but I recommend it. So we get to the app, and the first thing you're going to see after you open it up, it's going to have you right there. What is it? Right there. Add new product, okay? So that's what you're gonna push, and you add the product, and then it's gonna want you to get your QR code. Now, as you recall, we had this on top of our camera when we were installing it. So you take that, it's accepted it, and you're on your way. So now we're going to go through some of the different steps. All right, so we went through the process of putting all that information in to the app, and we now have our camera working. Okay, so that's good. If you like this video, give us a like, thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, just push the subscribe button and you'll be updated on all the stuff the handyman puts together. Thank you.